Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Do you dream of building wealth that is protected from taxes? In this essay, we will explore how starting a corporation for trading stocks and options can help you achieve these goals. We'll discuss the steps to form a corporation and the many benefits it offers traders. You'll learn how to maximize your retirement contributions through powerful tools like the Solo 401k, Indexed Universal Life (IUL) policy, and Roth IRA. We will use simple examples to illustrate how these strategies work and how you can benefit from them. By the end of this essay, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage the power of corporate trading to build tax-free wealth and secure your financial future. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, this essay will provide valuable insights and actionable advice to help you make informed financial decisions. Get ready to discover the exciting possibilities of trading within a corporate structure and unlock the potential for significant tax savings and wealth accumulation. It's time to take your trading to the next level and begin your journey towards financial freedom. Forming a corporation to manage your trading activities might seem complicated, but it's a straightforward process with significant advantages. The most common types of corporations for traders are limited liability companies, LLCs, S corporations, S-corp, and C corporations, C-corp. Each structure has its own unique features and tax implications. LLCs offer simplicity and flexibility, making them a popular choice for small businesses and individual traders. S-corp provide pass-through taxation, meaning profits and losses are reported on your personal income tax return, avoiding the double taxation often associated with C-corp. C-corp, while more complex, can be advantageous for larger businesses or those seeking to raise capital through the sale of stock. Consulting with a qualified tax advisor or attorney is crucial to determine the best corporate structure for your specific trading goals and circumstances. They can guide you through the legal and tax implications associated with each option, ensuring you make the most informed decision for your financial well-being. Once you've chosen the right structure, the formation process typically involves filing the necessary paperwork with your state's Secretary of State and obtaining the required licenses and permits. With your corporation established, you'll be well positioned to enjoy the many benefits of trading within a corporate entity. Trading through your corporation offers a multitude of advantages, particularly when it comes to taxes. By separating your trading activities from your personal finances, you can potentially reduce your overall tax liability and retain more of your hard-earned profits. One significant benefit is the ability to deduct trading-related expenses that would otherwise be non-deductible on your personal tax return. These expenses may include trading software, market data subscriptions, educational materials, and even a portion of your home office if you trade from home. Moreover, incorporating your trading business allows you to take advantage of lower corporate tax rates on your trading profits. This can result in significant tax savings, especially for high-income earners. Additionally, holding your investments within a corporate structure can provide liability protection, safeguarding your personal assets from potential business risks. By harnessing the power of corporate trading, you can optimize your tax efficiency, enhance your profitability, and protect your personal wealth. It's a strategic move that can significantly impact your overall financial success. Section 4. Supercharging retirement with a Solo 401k. A Solo 401k is a retirement savings plan for self-employed individuals and small business owners. It combines features of a traditional 401k with a profit-sharing plan, offering flexibility and higher contribution limits. You can contribute both as an employee and an employer. As an employee, you can contribute up to $22,500 in 2023. As the employer, you can contribute up to 25% of your net adjusted self-employment income. The combined contribution limit for 2023 is $66,000. Contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income. Your investments grow tax-deferred, and you pay taxes when you withdraw in retirement. Section 5. Building tax-free wealth with indexed universal life. An indexed universal life, or IUL, insurance policy is a type of permanent life insurance that offers the potential for cash value growth linked to the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. IULs provide tax advantages that can be particularly beneficial for traders seeking to accumulate wealth and generate tax-free income in retirement. One of the key benefits of an IUL is the potential for tax-deferred cash value growth. As your premiums are paid, a portion is allocated to the cash value component of the policy, which grows tax-deferred based on the performance of the chosen index. This means you won't pay taxes on the growth until you withdraw the funds, allowing your money to compound more rapidly over time. For instance, let's assume you invest $10,000 annually into an IUL, and your cash value grows at an average annual rate of 6%. After 20 years, your cash value could potentially grow to over $367,855, all on a tax-deferred basis. You can then withdraw funds from your IUL tax-free through policy loans and withdrawals, providing you with a source of tax-advantaged income in retirement. Growing your money tax-free with a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a retirement savings account that allows for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars, so you don't get an upfront tax deduction, but the tax-free growth and withdrawals are attractive for long-term savings. In 2023, the contribution limit is $6,500 or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. Your modified adjusted gross income must be below a certain threshold to contribute. The most compelling benefit is the ability to withdraw contributions and earnings tax-free in retirement. This means you keep more of your hard-earned money. Join us at the Wealth Well, where we will go over each of these steps in full to start your trading journey off in the right direction.